Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very useful video, that is how to locate a plane on internet. Exactly what is the location and when it will reach the destination. So it's very easy. You just go to Google, your browser, Google Chrome, just type in flight radar. So once you do that, you can see the first option coming, www.flightradar24.com. Just click here and once the page opens, you don't need to pay for this site just to locate. So you can see a map of some kind, and yellow flights, blue flights are coming. These are the technical things for flight radar, like yellow flights are something like which is tracked by satellites, or maybe blue flights are something that is tracked by terrestrial transponders. But these are technical things that we don't need to know. Just to locate the flight, just type in the flight number. You can see it's asking for flight number, airport, route, or REG. So for example, mine is my brother is traveling now from New York to Delhi. I'll just click his or type his flight number, AI106. Yeah, you can see this kind of options are coming, AI106 New York to Delhi live. I'll just click here. So once I do that, it will start identifying or tracking or searching for that flight, where it is exactly. So as you can see, this kind of data are coming, like EWR New York. The flight Boeing 777 departed 10 hours 39 minutes ago, and it will be arriving in another 2 hours 43 minutes at Delhi airport. So you can see, you can minimize this, and you can see in the maps also where it is exactly right now. So I'll just zoom out this map, and you can see so many flights. There's so much of traffic. I couldn't even imagine that this many number of flights are on the air. You can see from New York that blue line is coming, just tracking here. So it has covered almost 80% of the distance. Now it has crossed almost Europe, and now it is, if I zoom in, you can see it is somewhere around Kazakhstan or that area, nearing to Afghanistan, and I think within 1 hour it will reach Afghanistan, then Pakistan, then perhaps then to Delhi. So this is how you can see this red flight, as you can see, this AI106. So this is how you can track a flight if you want. Once again, I see, just type in a flight and this kind of option will come. Click here and you can see the exact location of your flight, of the live flight, of your friends, of your families who are traveling right now, to know the status of their position of their flight. So basically they use some satellites, receivers, or some terrestrial transponders to track flights, commercial flights. So you can use their service. No need to go for paid version of this website, where you can see many other things like weather, how is the weather there, and what is the exact speed, all other kind of things which is not required for a layman like us, just who want to know where the location of flight is right now. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful. If you found this useful, please like this video. Please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very useful thing on how to know the status or location of your live flight. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to this video now, please hit the subscribe button and that bell button to get more of such videos on your homepage of YouTube and notification as well. So friends, till our next video, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.